Alright guys, it's game time. We got the SSR4 all good to go. Got the rig on. Got this out of my friend Trey. He gave me this rig. This thing's freaking sweet. But yeah, so we're about to head out. I'm on the Emerald team. So the objective is we are mercenaries and we're trying to discover, like, basically we just have a bunch of different objectives, and I'm on the Emerald team, and then there's like a gray zone team. And so we have night events and daytime events, and I'll be doing both. So pretty excited. We're gonna get into it. What's up, guys? We're on our dinner break. It has been a long day. We're listening to some Christian music, about to crack open a Red Bull because the night session's about to happen. My friend Zane's joined me over there, but he is also tired. He got a late start, so he's kind of been out of it. Also covering from a sickness. So this is technically supposed to end at 10. We might just do a round of night game, because also people with night vision are going to pull up and might not make it too fun. So we're probably going to do a round, see how it is, and see if we... Because as soon as the sun goes down too, it's going to get real cold real quick. So probably going to do a round and head back to my house. Behind the barrel! Behind the barrel! Behind the barrel! I need cover fire on the right side! Hey, get me home to my hamster! Go to your hamster. Get inside the building. Get inside the building.